Alright, that's enough. He pushed it under, oh my god. He pushed it under the couch. He got it stuck under the couch. Hey! What the fuck? Milo, you're just making it more stuck. He keeps pushing it because he can't get it. He like plows it. He got it. What is it? He's barking at Hannah's shoes, by the way. Come on, knock the gate over. I want to see it. I want to see it fall. Oh! Welcome to today's video. Wait, actually, look how fast they built this, Aunt Lisa. Like, they already got a siding over there.
You know why they're probably doing it fast? Because winter's
To
coming.
make more money. Oh, yeah.
Winter's coming too. Because you gotta figure snow, ice.
Yeah, that would suck. It looks really nice.
I mean, the ones that are
It's probably like
done,
$2,500 a month just for a one bedroom.
Probably.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Two different windows
That's
there.
weird.
So I'm wondering.
I don't want to show it because I don't want you guys to know where we are.
Huh?
I'm talking to the camera. Say bye to the, say bye. Have a great day.
Now look, if
He
you
didn't-
look on this side, is there a door on each side?
Oh my god, look, there he is. Wave to him. Wave. And then the main door to the house is like straight back. Except I don't see one straight back.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it's weird. I don't know. You know what I do know though?
You got a lot of windows facing the balcony.
You know what I do know though?
What do you know?
I'm hungry.
Go to Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A? Yeah, I'll go to Chick-fil-A, but I want Chipotle. Chipotle's right here. Actually,
Roll
yeah.
your ass over there.
You know, I was going to when you were in there, but I didn't know if you were going to be back in time. And I'm like, with my luck, I'll be over there, and you're going to come out, and I'm not going to be here. And Lisa, tell the camera what you just said.
Because they
Nah, say what you just said first, and then tell me what happened.
because I went in there to get the medicine and they said it's not here, and so I farted.
She got mad at them, so she farted. Was it loud? Did you let her rip? Or was it silent?
It was a silent one. You know, was he coming after me? With spray? Yeah, it was a silent one.
Those ones are usually the most lethal.
I know. And then I was standing in line. I thought I was in the right line.
Wait, they have a drive-through. We could have gone through that.
I didn't know that.
Neither did I until
And I went,
like a couple minutes after you went in.
and it was still closed. So I went, and I'm
They're gonna hit me. No, I'm kidding.
And I'm thinking, oh, okay. All of a sudden, I walk up there, and I see these. Excuse me. Oh, the line is over here.
Really? So you did not.
Yeah, it doesn't say where the line starts in there. For the drugstore. Pay for it.
Oh my god. Phoenix. She just got the zoomies.
Time she gets her breakfast.
I thought she was gonna bite me. Oh my god.
Come on. Come on. Phoenix. Stop. Phoenix. Go lay down.
Hi, Milo. Roar! Roar! Oh, he's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Milo, go get it. What is it? You got your toy? Is that your new toy? He's like, get away. You're not taking it from me. Are you playing with your new paper towel toy?
Jody J asks, about to add the 88 device to our network. Can internet keep up? It can, Jody, but more devices means you need faster internet. We've engineered Xfinity's network so you can upgrade your speed.
I'm continuing yesterday's video today. My mom's babysitting my mom today.
Look at him. Lisa, look at him.
Are you making out?
He's on Hannah. He lifted the blanket to get her face. Oh God. He's like, that's my Aunt Hannah.
People did not evacuate those homes and the team was concerned about them.
God, he just stepped on my leg. That hurts so bad. Oh my God. Oh.
Hey, you better be good.
Lisa. Down. Milo, get down. Milo, down.
All right, bud, that's enough.
Milo.
No
Fix
more.
your hair, because then you have to get your picture taken. Fix your hair. Down. Tighten it. Down. Down.
Oh my God.
He's going after her hair tie.
Lay down. Is your arm wrapped around my mom's arm? Aww.
And he's like,
He's like my mum.
my Milo. My Milo. He's like, alright, that's enough. That's all, folks.
I don't even know how many days I have filmed clips in this video. This vlog is a span of like 2 weeks, probably. But I'm hungry and we don't really have anything to eat. That's like, sounds appetizing at the moment. But we have brownies, so I'm gonna make them. Okay, so we need 2 tablespoons of water. I already put it in here. Half a cup of vegetable oil. I feel like I probably should have put the mix in first, but whatever. My camera's gonna die. Okay. Oh, the sink is still on. We need brownie mix and 2 eggs. All the oil made my hands all slippery. I literally can't. I'm scared it's gonna die. My other battery's charging. Alright, this will be satisfying. Oh fuck, there's no trash bag. And ooh, 2 eggs. Okie dokie. Yummy. I don't even remember how to use this thing. I think it go like this. Let's just start on a low setting. Oh, I didn't plug it in. That would help. That would really fucking help if I plugged it in. Okay. Here we go. It's working! You know what? I feel like I should bring the camera over here so you can see. Because that's what a good camera person would do. Alright guys, you ready? Here we go. Hold on tight. I'll put it up to 3. Oh, that's actually not that good. Look at all sticking on the side. feel like we're not really that focused. Uh-oh, focus. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. You know what? It is getting it. Yummy. I love this thing. When I bake, this is my favorite tool to use. I use it all the time when I'm making, I don't know, homemade cookies and whatever. Oh, we're gonna have to do that for Christmas. I have so many good ideas I want to do. That's actually turning out to be really good, and it actually did get the sides pretty well. I'm gonna turn it up like one more. Beautiful. He's like, what is that? Yes. Oh, wait. Wait, I should probably take this off. I should probably unplug it for my safety first. And then. Yum meat. Here we go. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Yes. Milo, come here, Bubby. Look.
What?
Are you Milo?